Good afternoon, dear student. I am here today. I am here today to start my chapters. In my previous class, I have told you about the name of the book and its contents. And in that class, I have even explained about the first unit, determination. So today, I would like to start the first chapter that is inside that unit. The chapter name is My Parents Kept Me from Children Who Were Rough. It is a poem and it is written by Stephen Spender, as you can see on the screen also. My parents kept me from children who were rough. In this poem, especially the poet, he wants to describe about the bad and the good boys, rich and the poor boys, let us call it children, and their behavior. How the rich अथवा good child is tortured by the bad and the bad children. Now let me read out the sentences that has been written inside the box above. You can see there. The poem is about rich versus poor. In the poem, a young boy is being bullied by rough and strong boys who intimidate him, so his parents have chosen to keep him away from them. Nobody likes the bad company. Nobody likes to make the friend with the naughty children. So in the same way here also, the boy, he has been kept away from those type of children by his parents. Moreover, parents are conscious about their children, what he is doing or what he is not doing. Either he is in good company or in bad company. So here in the poem, the parents of a boy, they wanted to keep him away from those type of boys who vulgar the society. Now, here in the box, as the poem says that, the poet says that it is about rich versus poor. एक धनी and गरीब के बीच में, or I can say that it is about good and a bad person. Now here you can find a difficult word that is called intimidate. Intimidate means to make somebody do some work forcibly, किसी को जबरन काम करवाना, that is called intimidate. So let us now go through the poem. Let me read out first. My parents kept me from children who were rough and who threw words like stones and who wore torn clothes. Especially, we know that children, they are innocent in talking. They don't know the actual way of talking. That is why they are taught in schools and by their elders, by their different relatives. Though in this poem, it is said about all these things, but the boys who do not get this type of facilities, who do not have a chance to go to school, and who are with birth and orphan children, who are unfortunate. So, we must think about them. Let me explain the first two lines that I have already read. Let me read again. My parents kept me from children who were rough and who threw words like stones and who wore torn clothes. Actually, my parents, they don't want to make me indulge with those type of boys who are nutty in their behavior, who uses harsh word, who uses vulgar words, and they wear torn clothes. Torn, you know the meaning of torn, fata hua. So, this type of boys can be seen everywhere in the world. So my parents wants to keep me away from those type of children, so that I may not learn bad things that they know. Their thighs showed through rags. They ran in the street and climbed cliffs and stepped by the country stream. These are the activities that is done by these boys who are not cured. They wear torn clothes by which their inner skin is shown from different parts of their body. They ran in the street. Street में वो दौड़ता है इधर उधर. They will run here and there, shouting. They don't have the discipline. So this type of activities they follow in the street. Sometimes they climb cliff. Sometimes they go to the riverside to swim in unsystematic way. As we have the timetable for everything, we have a timetable, but they don't have. They do these things without caring about the time. I feared more than tigers their muscles like iron. Now I am innocent because I have been kept away from my parents. I have been kept away from those type of boys by my parents. So I am unaware about those type of boys. But I am feared when I see. I don't fear with the tigers, even the tigers, but I fear when I see their muscles tied up just like an iron. लोहा जैसा एक tight कड़ा, hard and fast. वो muscles देख के I feel afraid. Because I am in care, I am in nourishment, so my skin are soft and healthy, and I have never seen such type of skin, so I am scared to see those type of skin on their body. Now let us move to the second stanza. It is of 7 sentences. Let me read out. And before going to this stanza, second stanza, I know that you may have understood the first stanza. Now let me start it. And their jerking hands and their knees tied on my arms, I feared the salt course pointing of those boys. Here jerking it means that a movement, a sudden movement, एक झटका देना, or we can say that pull or move with a sudden movement. किसी को खींचना और उसको हिलाना. एक झटका में. So that is called jerking. And their jerking hands and their knees tight on my arms, I feared the salt courts pointing of those boys. When they catch me, and when their rough hand touch my soft skin, I am feared. And their salt courts, it is salt courts means it is just like a behavior that is inhuman, asabhya, rukha. So I am feared about that. I feared the salt courts pointing of those boys who copied my lips behind me on the road. Who copied my lips behind me on the road. I am feared because they follow me in the street, on the road. They just tease me. Here, LISP, lisp. LISP, lisp. It means that to teach someone's pronunciation. This is especially about the pronunciation of saw into tha. सा को थ प्रोनाउन करना, इसको हम लोग लिस्ट कहते हैं. तो they used to teach me in my pronunciation, so I am afraid, and they keep on teaching because they are holding my hands with your rough skin. I am afraid seeing their appearance because they have not bathed, their faces are not washed, their hair is not trimmed. So regarding all these things, I am afraid from those type of boys. They were little, they sprang out behind hedges like dogs to bark at our world. They threw mud, and I looked another way, pretending to smile. I longed to forgive them, yet they never smiled. They come from the hedges. Hedges means zhadi. They keep hiding there, and when I pass from that section, that street, they used to come out of the hedges just like as if a dog sprawling over a bone. At that time also I feel fear. I scared. But in hand to hand, to be away from them and not to be bullied more from them, I pretend smiling at them. Smiling at them as if I have forgiven them. This was the explanation of the poem. Now, student, you can see the poem on your screen and the underlined words. Please go through the poem, read it out nicely, try to learn the pronunciation and the difficult spellings properly at home. You can have the exercises like writing all these underlined words in your copy, finding out their meanings and making the sensible sentences.